Hello, hi, how's it going? So I have decided to take the plunge. Enough tutorials. I'm going to keep the tutorials going, but what's the point if I'm not making games? There's only so much worrying about shaving off frame rates if... Does that make sense? So I've decided that I'm going to pick up on an old project of mine, dust it off, get it looking nice, and put it together. This is the menu that I've got at the moment. Maybe it needs a bit of work, I'm not sure. There will be text here. And basically where I'm at with this is I've got, this game is going to be called Ghost. It's very spooky. It's pretty much a Wolfenstein clone, but with modern OpenGL. And I'm sticking to the same limitations that Wolfenstein had, so I'm having a small number of enemies, I think 5 enemies off the top of my head, and a small number of guns, and just little tight corridors, restricted to the horizontal dimension. We'll just keep it nice, keep it simple. There are going to be 18 levels. I actually have those levels designed. Where I'm at the moment is I'm just straightening out my code, making it more reusable for future projects, because I do want to be making my own engines for this. It's less productive, but I enjoy it more. Does that make sense? Anyway, so I'll just quickly flash up some concept art that I've got done for this to give you a picture of what this is going to look like. So there you go. I hope you find that exciting. I find this super exciting. And like I said, in addition to my regular tutorials, I'm going to be putting out a few of these little progress updates, because I want you guys to hold me accountable to this. I want to actually get this done. This has been sitting on my hard drive in a semi-complete state for so long. There's no point. Let's just get it done. Alright, so thank you so much, and all the best. I'll see you again soon, maybe next week. Alright, cheers, bye.